Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a lovely quick mill machine. It's a Silvano Evo, and it was brought in by James. James, we took a look at your machine, and what was going on, there were a couple of things. One of the hoses was ruptured, cracked essentially, and leaking, and that's why we were seeing steam. One of the reasons why we were seeing steam. Also, the boiler was applying pressure on the air valve, which is normal, but the air valve was faulty and it was allowing steam to bypass it, and that was what was causing the gurgling sound that you were hearing. Anyway, we replaced the hose, we replaced the air valve, and let's draw a shot. Let's see the timer going. We have 12 grams of coffee in there. There's the pressure, nice pressure. Get a little bit closer so you can see the shot. Focus would help, right? Yeah, buddy. Look at that. It's just a single shot, so I'm going to turn it off. James, I think your machine is up and running. I think it's ready to go. You're welcome to come and pick it up at any time. If you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day. We'll keep making them. Thank you.